balance the chemical equation of iron plus chlorine gas producing iron 3 chloride. We'll start with the unbalanced equation. Fe plus Cl2 yields FeCl3. Let's follow a step-by-step process to balance this equation. First, let's count the atoms on each side. On the reactants side, we have 1 iron atom and 2 chlorine atoms. On the product side, we have 1 iron atom and 3 chlorine atoms. We can see that the chlorine atoms are not balanced. We have 2 on the left and 3 on the right. To balance the chlorine atoms, we need to multiply the Cl2 molecule by 3/2 to get 3 chlorine atoms on the reactant side. However, we can't have fractions in our final balanced equation, so we need to multiply everything by 2 to eliminate the fraction. This gives us 2 Fe plus 3 Cl. 2 equals 2 FeCl3. Let's verify that our equation is now balanced by counting atoms on both sides. On the reactant side, we now have 2 iron atoms and 6 chlorine atoms. On the product side, we have 2 iron atoms and 6 chlorine atoms. Let's visualize this balanced equation using molecular diagrams. The left side shows 2 iron atoms and 3 chlorine molecules, each containing 2 chlorine atoms. These react to form 2 molecules of iron 3 chloride, where each iron atom is bonded to 3 chlorine atoms. In conclusion, we've balanced the equation 2 Fe plus 3 Cl, 2 yields 2 FeCl3. Remember, when balancing chemical equations, we can only add coefficients in front of molecules. We cannot change the subscripts within the molecular formulas.